Types of computer graphics. There are two main types of computer graphics, 2D graphics and 3D graphics. 2D graphics, also known as bitmap graphics, 2D graphics are flat, two-dimensional images made up of pixels. These images are used for a variety of purposes, including digital art, web graphics, game graphics, and user interface design. Some common file formats for 2D graphics include JPEG, PNG, and GIF. 3D graphics. 3D graphics are digital representations of three-dimensional objects and environments. These graphics are used in a variety of applications, including video games, architectural visualization, product design, and scientific visualization. 3D graphics can be rendered in real time, which allows for interactive experiences, or offline, which results in high-quality, photorealistic images and animations. Some common file formats for 3D graphics include OBJ, FBX, and Collada. In addition to these two main types of computer graphics, there are several subcategories, such as vector graphics, raster graphics, and motion graphics. Each type of computer graphic has its own unique characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses, and is used in specific applications and industries. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.